Hi again. So I continue on this lesson. So here I am doing integral in order to find the area. So if I see I find the integral as a negative number, so then I have to say area is just positive. So I have to write the positive number. Okay, so for example, if it's like, if it's like this question, yes, function is positive. If function is positive here, function is positive here. But how about this? Here function is negative, so the answer is negative, but negative is answer for integral. But when I talk about area, area is absolute value, just positive. And here when I have f minus g, so again, which one f, which one g? Of course f should be bigger and g should be smaller, but let's say you don't know, doesn't matter, you find f minus g, and then if the answer is negative, means you made a mistake, you have to do the other one minus the other one. Okay, so you don't need to even repeat your answer, just write, you don't need even to repeat the solution, just write the positive number. Okay, so now I am going to continue here. So it says find upper and lower limits. So what do I mean here? See, I can show you this example. It says find the area which is bounded between these two. So it's this one and this one. Okay, so I need to know what is this point, and I need to know what is this point. I feel it's minus 2 to 1, but I don't have the picture, and I cannot trust. I have to find. Okay, what should I do in order to find these 2 points? Okay, I can see these 2 points are on both of them. So means x and y are equal for both of them. So I can put them equal and find the answer. So 2 minus x squared equal x. So I have x squared plus x minus 2 equals 0, which is x plus 2 times x minus 1 equals 0. So x is minus 2 and x is 1. Yes, it is. Okay, so the answer is integral from smaller to larger. Okay, so 2 minus x minus x. Sorry, 2 minus x squared minus x. So which is f minus g dx. The upper minus the lower. Otherwise, the answer is negative. Okay, integral. So 2 minus x squared minus x dx from minus 2 to 1. So first I forget 2 minus, yes. First I forget minus 2 and 1. So I do the integral, which is 2x minus x cubed divided by 3 minus x squared divided by 2 from minus 2 to 1. Okay, so you have to put 1. So 2 minus 1 over 3 minus 1 over 2, yes, minus, now I put minus 2. Okay, so if I put minus 2, so it's minus 4. Okay, so minus 4, when I put minus 2 here, so minus 2, so it's minus minus 8, which is plus 8, minus minus 8 divided by 3. And for the other one, maybe I can make this smaller in order to make more space. So this is 2 minus 1 over 3 minus 1 over 2. Beautiful. Minus, so minus 2 times 2, which is minus 4, minus 2 cubed, that's minus 8. So I have minus minus 8 divided by 3, right? And I have minus 2 squared, which is 4. So I have minus 4 over 2, which is 2 minus 1 over 3 minus 1 over 2 minus minus 4, which is plus 4. Okay, so I can do step by step. Minus minus 4 plus 8 over 3 minus 2. Now I can do 2 minus 1 over 3 minus 1 over 2 plus 4 minus 8 over 3. Okay, plus 2. Okay, which is this and this and this are 8. Okay, so this and this is minus 9 over 3, which is 3, minus 1 over 2, which is half. Okay, so it's 8 minus 3 minus half, which is 4.5. So 4.5 what? 4.5 unit squared. Why? Because it is area. Area is 2 dimensions, so unit squared. If I have volume, that's 3 dimensions, so I have cubed. Okay, why I say unit? Because I didn't say centimeter or meter, I didn't say. Okay, so that's it. So practice questions. So here again for this question, if you don't have the boundary, means they are both touching each other, so you have to find the points, so you have to put them equal and find those points. Okay, so look at these that I found. These points, these points are just those touching points, or just the intersection. Okay, the common points between both of the functions. Okay, so how about this here? So here the answer is under this, from here to here, which is this part. Okay, so the answer is from 0, from a small to large. What is the function? X squared plus 2, sorry, plus 1 dx, which is x cubed divided by 3 plus x from 0 to 20. That's 20 cubed divided by 3 plus 20. For minus 0, it's just minus 0. So minus 0 plus 0, which is just 0. Okay, so the answer is, what is the answer? 20 times 20 times 20, so 20 cubed divided by 3, okay, plus 20. Okay, which is, maybe I can just write, let me see, am I right here? So it says from 0 to 20, or yes, 0 to 20, and find the from that. Okay, yeah, x cubed, yes, so it is 20 times that times this, so it is 8,000 divided by 3 plus 60 divided by 3, which is 8,060 divided by 3. Okay, yeah, which is 268. So 2686. Okay, so 2686 2 over 3 unit squared. Okay, if I make a mistake anywhere, so you just tell me. Okay, so how about here? See, because I have the picture, so I can say, okay, from here to minus 2. Where is minus 2? Here. Okay, so no, let me see. How about, okay, so if I say this is 10 minus 10, so this one minus 10 minus 8 minus 6 minus 4 minus 2, so no, it's maybe going 2 by 2 here, minus 8 here, and minus 6 here, and minus 4 here, yes, and minus 2 here. Okay, but it doesn't matter, I'm looking for that part. Okay, so it is from minus 10 to minus 2. What is the function? X cubed, sorry, x power 4 plus 4 dx. Okay, so it is, I forget minus 10, I forget minus 2, I have to do x power 4, so it's x power 5 divided by 5. Remember, you have to go from a smaller to larger. Okay, that's why you have to have a good sense of numbers. Plus 4x plus 4x plus c. I don't need c because I have the boundaries, so I do from minus 10 to minus 2. Okay, so it is minus 2 power 5 divided by 5 plus 4 times minus 2 minus, then I have 10 power 5 divided by 5 minus 4d. Okay, and then I can find the answer. So it's here, this is I think minus 32 divided by 5. This is minus 8. This one is minus 10, minus 100,000 if I'm correct. Yes, 100,000. So minus 100,000. So it's minus minus. So it's plus 100,000. Plus 100,000 divided by 5. And minus minus. So it's plus 40. Okay. And then you can find the answer. So this answer, whatever is the answer, so it's 100,000 divided by 5. Okay, so 20,000. 20,000 plus 40. So minus 8. Okay. And so minus 6.4, I think. Okay, so it's, you can find the answer here, just the answer, and then this is unit squared. Okay, so how about here? So here so here the answer is, okay, from 0 to 4, so means here I'm looking for this part. Okay, so integral from 0 to 4 x cubed dx, which is x power 4 divided by 4 from 0 to 4, which is 4 power 4 divided by 4 minus 0. What is that? I think it's 256, so it's 16 times 16. Yes, it's 256 divided by 4. So 256 divided by 4, okay, which is 64. Okay, I even don't need to calculate, so I can say it's 4 power 3, which is 64. So 64 unit squared, because I didn't say centimeter or meter or kilometer, which one. Okay, how about here? So here I need to see which one will be bigger. So again, if I don't know, I say any of them minus the any of them minus the other one. But then if the answer is negative, I should write a positive. See, this one is this, and this one is this. Okay, so now I do from what to what? From 2 to, okay, from 2 to 4. I don't know why it doesn't write, so here from 2 to 4. Okay, means this part. So what should I do? Okay, so I can say it's integral f minus g from 2 to 4, always from small to large, dx. Okay, so find the answer. It is x squared plus 3 minus x minus 1 dx from 2 to 4, which is x squared minus x plus 2 dx from 2 to 4, which is x cubed divided by 3 minus x squared divided by 2 plus 2x from 2 to 4. Okay, so first you put 4, so it's 4, so it's 64 divided by 3. 64 divided by 3 minus 16 divided by 2, which is 8, plus 8, right? Because it's 2 times 4, minus 8 divided by 3, minus 2, plus 4, right? Okay, so it is this and this cancel. 63 divided by, so the minus 8, minus 8 is 56. So this one and this one, this one and this one is 56 divided by 3. And the other one, so 4 minus 2 is 2. And because I have minus, so I have minus 2. Okay, so I can find the answer. So it is 56 divided by 3 minus 6 divided by 3, which is 50 divided by 3. Okay, so 50 divided by 3 unit squared. Okay, so is the answer. So they are very easy. So here, how about here? So here I can see, what? Okay, I can see I have 2 minus x squared, and I have 3 minus 2x. Okay, so 3 minus 2x, and okay, so I think this one is this one, and this one is this one. Okay, the pink one, because for one of them the y-intercept is 3 and for one of them the y-intercept is 2, so the one which is lower, it's the one with 2. Okay, although it's not really obvious here. It says from -1 to 1, so I have this part which is bounded between these two. Okay, so this part between these two. Okay, so the answer is here. Okay, so what is the answer here? So it is yes, it is 3 minus 2x minus 2 minus x squared from -1 to 1, which is from -1 to 1, 3 minus 2x minus 2 plus x squared dx, which is from -1 to 1, x squared minus 2x plus 1 dx, which is x cubed divided by 3 minus x squared divided, no, just minus, let me see, minus x squared divided by, so 2 minus x squared divided by 2, so I can cancel 2 and 2, plus x from -1 to 1. Okay, so -1 to 1, so I put 1, so I have 1 over 3 minus 1 plus 1 minus, I have -1 over 3. If I put -1, what happened? Yes, it is minus. If I put -1 here, is still minus because it's plus, because it's positive and I already have minus, and -1. Okay, so I have 1 over 3 plus 0 plus 1 over 3 minus minus plus 1 plus 1, which is 2 over 3. 2 over 3 unit squared. Okay, if I make mistake anywhere, just tell me. Yes, so how about this here? So here I need to find these 2 points. How do I need to find? So I can put them equal. X squared equal to x. This is a mistake some of you did in the test number 4. So you don't cancel x and x. You don't cancel x and x, and you don't say x equal to. If you cancel x and x, means you are considering x is not 0. That's why you cancel x and x from both sides, because you divide both sides with x. That's wrong. How about if x is 0? You have to consider that. So don't cancel. Mathematically, only time you can cancel from left and right is when you have number. But when you have x, you have to make sure. Okay, so x times x minus 2 equals 0. X is 0, x equal 2. Okay, so this is 0 and this is 2. And I can see it on the picture, yes? But in the exam, I don't have the picture, so I have to find it. Okay, so the answer is, which one is upper? Okay, so I can see the line here, and I can see this one here. Okay, so which one you write first? Yes, you write the line first. So it is 2x minus x squared from 0 to 2, which is x squared minus x cubed divided by 3 from 0 to 2, which is 4 minus 8 divided by 3 minus 0 minus 0, which is 12 minus 8, which is 4 divided by 3. Okay, so 4 divided by 3, as you can see, it's a positive answer. 4 divided by 3 unit squared. And if the answer is negative, means you made a mistake, you have to do the other one minus. For example, instead of f minus g, you have to do g minus f. You don't need to repeat. Just write the positive answer. That's it. So here, the same. So here you have to do y equal, here you have to do y equal 2x plus 1, and here you have y equal 4 minus x squared. You have to find this point. How do you find it? Here I know what is the point because I can look at the picture, but how can I find? I can put them equal. So I do 4 minus x squared equal 2x plus 1. So I have x squared plus 2x minus 3 equals 0. So I have x plus let me see. If I, okay, x plus 3 multiple x minus 1 equals 0, and then I have x equal minus 3 and x equal 1. Yes, perfect. It's here and here. Okay, so I have to find the answer. So I have to find this. I have to see which one is which one. So this one, oops, of course this one is the curve, because the other one is just power 1, so it's a line. I don't need to even think about it. This is this one. Okay, so now I have to find the answer. So it is integral from where to where? Integral minus 3 to 1. From what to what? Okay, so minus 3 to 1, and what minus what? So 4 minus x squared minus 2x plus 1. Y minus y. Okay, so 1y minus the other one, dx. And then you can find the answer, minus 3 to 1, 4 minus x squared minus 2x minus 1 dx, which is minus 3 to 1, 3 minus x squared minus 2x dx. Okay, and then you can find the answer. Very easy. Okay, you just have to find the integral. So 3x minus x divided by that, so minus x squared from minus 3 to 1, and just find the answer. So you put 1 and then you put minus, you put minus 3. Okay, and then find the answer here. So here maybe I can do it for you. 3 minus 1 over 3 minus 1, so that's that, minus 9. Okay, so minus 27 divided by 3 and minus 9. Okay, so it is 3 minus 1 over 3 minus 1, minus is plus. Here minus is plus, so then again minus, that's minus 9, I think, because it's plus here, and then minus 9, and then minus plus 9. So then I can see this one and this one cancel, so I have 12. I have 11. So 11 minus 1 over 3, which is 10, 2 over 3. Okay, so the answer is 33. So 32 divided by 3, which is, yes, so it is 10, 2 over 3 unit squared. Okay, and that's positive. Okay, so how about here? You have to find these 2 points. How do you find them? You have to put them equal. So here, so I feel these are not really hard. So 2x power 2 minus 8 equal 4 minus x squared. So I have to put them equal, and then I have to find x. So here I have 3x squared equal 12, and I have x squared equal 4, and I have x equal plus minus 2. Again here, some of you made mistake in the test. So you have to say plus minus for sure. When you have power 2, when you have power 4, you have to say plus minus. So you have 2 points, not just 1. Okay, so the answer is this. And then which one minus which one? So this one is, okay, 4. This one is, okay, so this one is here, and this one is here. How do I know? Because I look at the y-intercept. One of them y-intercept is minus 8, and one of them y-intercept is 4. Okay, so the answer is from minus 2 to 2. Which one up? 4 minus x squared minus 2x squared minus 8. Simplified. So it's minus 2 to 2, 4 minus x squared minus 2x squared, so plus 8. So it's 12 minus 3x squared dx. Okay, good job. Right? So here you have to find the answer, and then done.